Okay, well, wasn't planning on filming this today, but this was just delivered at my door, and I'm like, well, I did promise that as soon as I got my spring box, I would be filming it for you, so, you know, this wasn't on the schedule for today, but here we go, spring box is here. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel as always. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to the craziness. I was currently filming a few other boxes and I just watched the FedEx man drop this box off on my front porch and I was like, you know, I really do need to film a couple other things first, but I want to see what's inside of this box and I know you guys want to see because customization opens up tomorrow. I'm so excited, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and do this today. Okay, so a couple things before I open up this box. If you are interested in purchasing the spring box, it is open right now. You can use the link that I have down below. I have a discount code off of the quarterly subscription, but if you'd rather sign up for the annual subscription and you'll pay for all 4 boxes at one time, you can get a free bonus box if you use my coupon code down below. So all of it's listed there. You guys can check it out, see what works for you. Customization opens up tomorrow for annual members. So if you sign up as a quarterly member, you will have to wait 2 weeks for you to customize, but all annual members get to check it out tomorrow. Today is Thursday. You can go in and add on all of your add-ons. So here's your reminder that if you're interested in the mystery boxes or the refill bags that I get and I unbox on the channel, you can do that this weekend. So what you want to do is make sure you go in, check out those add-ons. You can save them to your cart, do your refills, and then tomorrow log in and you can actually start customizing your box. If you guys have questions about any of it, just comment down below and I'll get back to you guys, or my sister will get back to you as well. Like I said, I was not expecting this to show up today. I knew it was coming, but I just did not think I would get it in before the customization window closed. So I'm happy, but I'm just so thrown off right now. Ooh, this is very classy. So this is what the spring box looks like. I mean, it's got, you know, like this really modern design. I'm so used to seeing like flowers or something, you know? I mean, I will say this is the one season that I said doesn't really feel like spring to me because they didn't have a lot, but the box is also giving me that. So this must have been their goal this season, is just to be a lot more, I don't know, modern and sophisticated, if you will. So inside of this box are going to be 6 of the items that are available for this season. If I can get the box open. These are just options. You can go with these if you want to when you customize, or there are plenty of other options to go with this season. Oh! There's the flower. That's a surprise. Look at the color too. Okay, that's a really fun little touch. So I take it back. They did embrace the spring look. Oh, and it goes down inside too. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Do you see all the flowers and it says spring things? Oh, this is cute. This is super cold, and now this is a lot smaller than what I was expecting. Okay, let's start with the very first item. So this is the item that I went with for category 1. Like I said in my video a couple of days ago, I went with this because I love having extra pots and pans. It's less to clean. Plus, I wanted to check it out for you guys and let you know if whether or not it's a good item to go with. So this is an 8-inch frying pan. They did say it was 8 inches, but for some reason, I did not visualize it being this small, you guys. So I would say this is a single serving of eggs. I always have eggs in the morning for breakfast. My husband and I will typically each have eggs, and I feel like there's enough in here for one of us. Like 1 omelet, you know what I mean? It's also so stinking cold. It's like 10 degrees outside, and this one being that it's all aluminum, it's just very cold right now. But this is what it will look like here. I do think it's adorable that there's a mustache on the top of this as well. I don't know why, the mustache just makes me really laugh with this. So like I said, it is an 8-inch frying pan, and it does mention that you want to hand wash this. They don't recommend putting it in the dishwasher. It does have a non-stick coating in here. Usually anything that has the non-stick coating, they recommend not to put in the dishwasher. But you know, do what you will. Sometimes I'm rogue and I just do it anyways. But it does state to avoid scratches, don't drag this across the stovetop surface. Avoid sudden temperature extremes, which will lead to warping. Do not use high heat. With aluminum properties of even heat distribution, it is not necessary to use high heat as this will damage and discolor your cookware. You want to let it cool all the way. And it says they recommend placing paper towels in between the pans and lids to prevent scratching. Don't use metal utensils. Wow, there's a lot on this. I mean, I'm just reading the back of it here. That way you guys, you know, you can see if this works for you or not. So this is what it looks like. I do think it's a nice little pan. I think it's decent. In my subscription box, I do think this is a great item to have. Okay, next item that I have in here, and I think this is in category 2, I think. Again, see, I wasn't prepared, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm the worst today. But this is the next item. This is the surf candle. Again, I got this one specifically because I wanted to know, does it smell good? Do I like it? And that way I can recommend it or not recommend it for you guys. Ooh, I can smell the coconut already. So this is what it looks like here. I really like this color on the glass jar. Isn't that pretty? Oh, you guys. Okay, this I definitely recommend. Now, I would recommend this to you if you like beach scented candles. This is definitely giving me a soft coconut and vanilla vibe with a hint of citrus in there as well. It's really good. So like I said, it's a single wick candle and it is 8 ounces. I think it looks super cute here with the glass jar, but the scent is really good. So if you like beach scented candles where you're getting that kind of coconut scent in there, I would definitely recommend this. This is definitely worth it. I mean, it's yummy. I'm ready to start burning this right away. But if you don't like beach scented candles, there are plenty of other options in that category as well. I did feel like that one was decent. There were some good beauty products in there that I really had my eye on. Okay, so the next item that I went with, but I can't remember which category this was in, but this is the Galentine set, and it's from London Town. So this is the nail polish duo, and then it also comes with a tool as well. So it's gluten-free and vegan, and everything is actually made here in the US. So the set is called Queen of Hearts, and you get this adorable little box here. I think this would make a cute little gift option too. So if you need a gift for Galentine's or any other time, this might be a good one. So inside there will be 2 nail polishes. Ah! I love these. Oh, there's shimmer in it. Okay, I approve of these already, you guys. These are really cute. So the brand is a good brand at not chipping. I have used this nail polish in the past. Not this specific shade, but I've used other shades from this brand. They don't chip and they do wear really well. Now, I always put a clear coat over top of my nails just to help them not chip even more so. So keep that in mind. You may still want to do that. But the shades are adorable. I mean, look at that pink. That is perfect going into spring. And this one, I thought it was just a cream neutral color. You can tell there's an undertone of pink in it, but there's actually a gold shimmer in this as well. So you can kind of see it right there on my camera that you can see a little bit of that gold shimmer. That was totally not expected. See, this is why I'm so glad that I got this, because then I can report back to you guys and let you know. I love this. Now this is also included in the kit. You're gonna get a nail file in here and then also a brush. This brush is perfect that you can dip it in like a nail polish remover and clean up your edges. So when you're painting, if you overpaint, you know, you go outside the lines a little bit, you get it on your cuticles, you can use this brush to go over top of it there to really clean it up and make it look nice and even. Now I do feel like you're gonna break a nail trying to open this. Is the only thing. It's really tough. But once you get inside, this is what the tool will look like. So this is what I was referring to with the brush. You can also use that brush to actually paint it on, but I've always just used it to clean up my edges. On the other end, there's a little dot. So what's cool is you could paint little dots on top of, like if you did the pink one, you could do the pink nail polish and do the dots of the cream color over top of it. Or you guys, you could also paint all of your nails pink and only do the dots on your ring finger. That'd be super cute too. I like this one. I think this is a really good set, you guys. I think this is really nice. And then like I mentioned, it also comes with the glass nail file in here. So this is what it will look like for that. This is just, it's very cute. I love the pink touches right now as well. I really like this. I'm so glad that I got this one. Next item that I have in here today is my Molten Brown Shower Gel. Now this is a brand that I absolutely love. It lathers up really well and it is considered a luxury shower gel. So if you've not had a chance to try it, this is a very affordable way to try this out. It is a full-size product that we're receiving here. The size is 8 ounces, I believe, on these. Maybe it's a little bit more than that. No, it's 10 ounces. That's what it is. So it's 10 ounces of product. They have 2 different scents available. I went with the orange and bergamot scented one. So this is what it will look like here. It's a little frosty because again, it's so cold out. And then I'm touching it and like the heat from my fingers are causing it to get a bit frosty. So I'm going to go ahead and smell this real quick. But one thing that I've always liked about this brand is you don't need a lot of it to get a really great lather. It foams up super well. And I like a foamy bubble bath. You know what I mean? Like I love a really bubbly body cleanser or wash. Now this is good. You definitely are getting both of those notes. I smell the orange in there, but I also smell that bergamot as well. So it's really good. For me, this is kind of one of those like splurge items. I would not normally go out and buy this just because it is a bit expensive for a body wash. But when I can get it in this box in my subscription, it's just a little bit... You know what I mean? It's like I can give myself permission to be a little bougie and get something a little bit nicer for myself. So I'm just saying, like, I know not everybody's going to need a shower wash, but I do think if you want something that you normally wouldn't get yourself, this would be a great time to do it. Look at this cutie! Oh my gosh. Now it does have plastic wrap on here. I'm going to take it off in just a second. But if you do order it, it is completely sealed. And it does come with a gold pen as well. But oh my gosh, look at that pattern. Is that not cute? So adorable. Now it is a hardback journal and it comes with a ballpoint pen with black ink. And there are 144 pages inside of this journal. It does mention that it's all lined as well. So like I said, I'm going to open it up and we'll take a peek at it. But I love this brand. Rifle Paper Company has some really great products. So I have used like some of their stationery and journals before, and this print is just so cute. It's so adorable, you guys. So this one will have the binder here that will close. Then it will open up to the soft lilac color. And then you're going to have, oh my gosh, look at the flowers on there. This is what your journal will look like. Is that not beautiful? Now, my thing is, I like when they stay flat, and I've talked about this before. If a book can stay flat for me, it's one of my favorites. So you can tell that this will go completely flat here. It actually will go even past that. And that way, you've got a flat surface to write on. It just makes it a little bit easier. And then at the back here, it actually has a little folder. So you can open this up and store things in here if you want to in this little compartment. And then it's got that pen that has its own designated spot as well, which is kind of nice because I feel like sometimes I'm losing a pen, like I have one and I don't have the other. So it's kind of nice that it's all built into one, like your pen is not going to go missing. It's always going to be with your journal. This is cute. If you like to journal or you know somebody that likes to journal, I would recommend this. I approve of it. It's good quality. It's really nice. I love it. So far, this is going really well. I mean, I've never thought FabFitFun has like cheap products in it. So they do have good quality items, but I really like it because I wasn't sure if I was going to like the candle or not. And I wasn't sure if I was going to love having the orange scented shower gel, but I mean, so far, like, I'm loving everything. Last item inside of my box then today is the Nudist Exfoliating Body Bar. Now, when we went through and did the spoilers, I did talk to you guys how there are several exfoliating products inside of this box this season. I still stand by the fact that the Murad Exfoliating Scrub is probably the better brand of the ones that they're offering. However, Murad is in a category that I think had one of these other products. Was it the candle? And so I only went with this over the Murad because I wanted to just check everything out, give you guys some feedback on the products. In my own personal box, I would definitely go with the Murad though, just because it is a better brand. So this is what it looks like here. This will give you soft skin after using it. It's 100% biodegradable and it actually has wood pulp micro exfoliants inside of this. That's different. I've never seen wood before. I mean, there's sugar scrubs and like coffee scrubs. I mean, I've even seen, what is it, walnuts that they'll use as well as like an exfoliating property, but not wood pulp. This will remove dead skin cells, bumps, roughness, and ingrown hairs. It's great for that. It'll actually open them up and make it a little bit easier for the hair to grow. They've also included in here vitamins B3, B5, which is niacinamide. There's also vitamins E, and it says that the scent is white grapefruit and green foliage. So this will create a relaxing sensorial experience. 99.8% natural origin. All right, so this is what your exfoliating bar will look like. So it's a good size bar that we have here. It's 5.3 ounces for this. I don't really smell anything. It says white grapefruit. I mean, I can tell a very faint citrus note, but I don't know if it's because this is so cold. I wouldn't think that would have anything to do with it, but maybe it does. But I don't smell much from this. So if you don't like strong scents, maybe that'll work out in your favor, but I would not expect much from it. It's just not it's not scented heavily at all. The only thing you need to keep in mind with this product, it is not approved or safe to use this on your face. And it's because this is gonna have those exfoliating ingredients in it. So make sure if you're using this, you're using it only as a body bar. There are some exfoliating products that are available this season that are safe for the face, but this particular one is not. It is only a body bar. So that is everything for my very unplanned FabFitFun unboxing. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of these products today? Overall, I'm excited, you guys. I gotta tell you, having it in person is a much better feeling than just viewing it online. So even when I was going through the spoilers, I was like, yeah, this is good. I think there's some hero products, but actually getting that journal in person is so cute. I love it. I also really like the nail polish. Like, it's cuter than what I even thought it was gonna be. So I feel like I did really well on that. The candle also, huge win. I mean, overall, you guys, I'm more excited with this after having seen the products than I originally thought I was going to be. So hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. That way when you go to customize, you'll have some input for the products. If you have any questions, comment down below and I can help you out with them as best as I can as well. Keep in mind, annual members get to customize on Friday. So again, if you want to be one of the first ones to customize, you will need to sign up now, and that way you'll be on the list and you can go in and customize your box right away. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!